Hi, I'm Jackson Horn, Nordson Corporation. We're here at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center, and today we're going to show you the Encore LTE Vibratory box feeder. Out of the box, the controller will be set in Smart Flow mode. To remove this from Smart Flow mode, enter the configuration screen by turning the unit off, then holding the electrostatics plus and minus and the power button at the same time. You'll enter configuration mode. We're going to go to F4 and then function 1. Hit the power button. We're out of Smart Flow mode. From the top of the controller, you have your power on and off, your recoat setting where you would have 100 kV and 15 on your current, a metallic setting with a 50 on your current and your 50 on a kV, and then your deep recess setting with 100 on your kV and 60 on your current. These are predetermined settings that you cannot change. You also have the option for standard mode and AFC mode. In standard mode, you'll have a straight kV setting that you can adjust. In AFC mode, you can set a current limit and the gun will adjust the current from gun to part distance. On the top right, you have a powder flow setting and then an atomizing air setting. These adjustments control the air volume that is released at the back of the controller. These air volumes then run through the 8mm tubing to this pump. Airflow is at the top, powder flow is at the bottom. When you increase these settings, you increase the airflow to the pump, which increases your output on the gun. On the center of the screen, you have an option to view your kV and your current controls. You also have the option for standard kV mode, where you can set a straight kV limit, or an AFC mode, where you can set a current limit. AFC is automatic feedback current. This will actually adjust per your gun to part distance. For this portion of the video, we're going to show you the adjustments and how they affect your application. So for now, we have the powder flow setting at 10 and the airflow setting at 5. We're going to increase these. Now as we go up in powder flow, we're going to go up to 50. We need to increase the atomizing air just so we help pick the powder up and deliver it for application. But if we have this velocity too high, it's going to push the powder out of the gun too fast and doesn't give it time to charge and attract to the part. These settings will be different for each type of powder, each different application. Sometimes different powders have different weights, different powders fluidize differently.